Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, students. This is Hamza Noor, and in this video, I'm going to solve the question number 2 of International A-Level Edexcel Pure Mathematics 3 P3 January 2022 paper. So part A says that show that the equation 8 cos theta is equals to 3 cosec theta. You can write this equation in this form: sine 2 theta is equals to k, where k is a constant to be found, and this part is worth 3 marks. So 8 cos theta is equals to 3 times cosec theta. And as you know the fact that in place of cosec theta, you can write 1 over sine theta. So therefore, 8 cos theta is equals to 3 multiplied by 1 divided by sine theta. So therefore, we can say that 8 cos theta multiplied by sine theta is equals to 3. Okay, so if you take 4 as common, what you are left with 2 cos theta multiplied by sine theta, and this whole thing is equals to 3. So therefore you can say that 2 cos theta multiplied by sine theta is equals to 3 over 4. So now, as you know the fact that in place of sine 2 theta, you can write exactly 2 multiplied by sine theta multiplied by cos theta. Okay, this is a trigonometric identity. So this means that in place of 2 cos theta multiplied by sine theta, which is the same thing, 2 times sine theta multiplied by cos theta, we can write sine 2 theta. So therefore we can say that sine 2 theta is equals to 3 over 4. So we have found the equation in this form: sine 2 theta is equals to k. Therefore we can say that k is equals to 3 over 4. This is supposed to be the answer of part A. Alright, so now we have part B. Part B says that hence find the smallest positive solution of the equation 8 cos theta is equals to 3 times cosec theta, giving our answer in degrees correct to 1 decimal place. So when it is said to solve this equation, 8 cos theta is equals to 3 cosec theta, this means you need to solve the equation which you have obtained in part A, which is sine 2 theta is equals to 3 over 4. All right. So now, as you know the fact that an interval for theta is not given to you, but what you need to do, you need to find the smallest positive solution. What we can do over here is that we can take a substitution. Let's say x is equals to 2 theta. And first of all, you will find the smallest positive solution of x. And then you would be able to find the smallest positive solution of theta as it is required in the question. So we have taken a substitution: x is equals to 2 theta. This step is just for the sake of formality in order to make the further steps simpler. Even if you do not do this particular step, which I'm doing, it's completely fine. And it would essentially mean that first of all, you are finding the smallest positive solution for 2 theta, and then you will adjust the value and find the value of theta. So I've taken a substitution: x is equals to 2 theta. This means that sine x is equals to 3 over 4. And first of all, we are going to find the basic angle alpha. So alpha is equals to sine inverse 3 over 4. So make sure your calculator is in degree mode. So sine inverse 3 over 4, this is supposed to be 48.590 degrees. So now what we are going to do, we are going to make a quadrant diagram. And as we know the fact that we are considering a positive value of sine x, because sine x is equals to 3 over 4, sine x is equal to a positive value. And since we know the fact that sine is positive in the first quadrant and the second quadrant, so we are going to make slant lines respectively over here. And the basic angle alpha always lies between the slant line and the horizontal axis. So 48.590 degrees over here and 48.590 degrees over here. All right. So the smallest positive solution for x would be this 48.590 degrees, because the other solution would not be the smallest positive. Okay, so we are going to ignore 180 minus 48.590. Therefore, the smallest positive solution for x would be 48.590 degrees. And since x is equals to 2 theta, this means the smallest positive solution for 2 theta is 48.590 degrees. So therefore, the smallest positive solution for theta is supposed to be 48.590 degrees divided by 2. So 48.590 divided by 2, this is supposed to be 24.295. Theta is equals to 24.295 degrees, and the requirement of the question is give your answer in degrees correct to one decimal place. So therefore, theta is equals to 24.3 degrees is your answer. This is the smallest positive solution. Smallest positive solution. All right. So this was the question number 2 of International A-Level Edexcel P3 January 2022 paper.